Have you ever wanted to make money online using AI but felt completely lost about where to start? Well, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through 5 practical AI side hustles. You can begin right now, even if you have zero experience or coding skills. These aren't just some random, far-fetched ideas. They are realistic, profitable methods built around powerful AI tools that are available today. So get ready to take some notes, because you won't want to miss a single one of these. We're going to dive deep into strategies that actually work, helping you build a real income stream. Ready to unlock your earning potential with artificial intelligence? Let's get started. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store, but got scared off by the thought of managing inventory, dealing with shipping, and spending hours on customer service? What if I told you that you could launch a profitable e-commerce business that practically runs itself? Well, thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence, that dream is now a reality. Today, we're diving into how you can build an automated e-commerce empire with AI, creating a powerful stream of passive income. Let's break it down. In the past, starting an online store was a huge undertaking. You had to source products, store them, pack orders, and handle endless customer queries. But AI has completely changed the game. Now, you can automate almost every single step, from product creation to customer support, allowing you to focus on what really matters: growing your business. The best part? You don't even need to handle physical products. So how does it work? First, you pick a platform like Shopify or Etsy. These are perfect for setting up a store that sells digital products or print-on-demand items. This is where the real AI magic begins. Need compelling product descriptions that sell? Use a tool like ChatGPT to write them for you in seconds. What about stunning product images or unique designs? AI art generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI can create professional quality visuals that will make your product stand out. For all your branding needs, from your logo to your social media posts, Canva's Magic Studio can generate an entire brand kit with just a few clicks. You can create and list dozens of products in a single afternoon. Now for the automation that brings in the passive income. Think about customer service. Instead of being tied to your inbox, you can use AI-powered chatbots like TDO or ManyChat. These tools can answer frequently asked questions, track orders, and provide support 24/7. They can even send automated messages to customers who abandon their carts, recovering sales you would have otherwise lost. It's like having a dedicated sales and support team working for you around the clock. The possibilities for products are endless. You can sell AI-generated art as print-on-demand t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You could create and sell digital planners, e-books, social media templates, or custom meal plans, all designed and written with the help of AI. Once your store is set up and your automations are in place, the system takes over. New orders are fulfilled automatically. Customer questions are answered instantly. And you're left with a business that generates income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a smart, scalable business model for the future. If you're ready to stop trading your time for money and start building a real asset, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ideas on how to build wealth with AI. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into some seriously profitable side hustles that you can start right now, using the power of AI. If you've been looking for a way to make extra income without a steep learning curve, you're going to love what I have for you. We'll cover 3 amazing ideas that are perfect for beginners, but have the potential to bring in some serious cash. So grab a notebook, and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. First up, let's talk about a service that is exploding in demand right now: AI-powered presentation and document design. Think about it. Every day, companies, students, and freelancers need polished, professional-looking presentations, reports, and proposals. But let's be honest, Not everyone has the time, the eye for design, or the skills to create something that truly stands out. This is your golden opportunity. This is where incredible AI tools like Tome, App, Gamma, and Beautiful AI come into play. These platforms are game changers. They can take a simple idea, a rough draft, or just a block of text, and instantly transform it into a clean, visually stunning, and ready-to-present slide deck. Imagine a client sends you a basic outline for a business pitch. You can simply input that outline into Gamma, select a theme that matches their brand, and within minutes you have a complete, professional presentation ready to go. It's like having a graphic designer on call 24/7. But it doesn't stop there. You can enhance your services even further. Use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help your clients refine their message. You can rewrite, summarize, or expand their content to make it more impactful before you even start the design process. This adds a ton of value and positions you as more than just a designer. You become a presentation consultant. So how do you find clients? It's easier than you think. You can offer this service on popular freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a profile under categories like business presentation design, pitch deck creation, or report formatting. Showcase a few examples you've created with these AI tools in your portfolio. To really boost your earnings, offer premium add-ons. You could provide AI-generated voiceovers for the presentations using a tool like 11 Labs, or create a custom branding kit with Canva. The best part is that this side hustle requires zero formal design training, but the results you deliver will look incredibly professional to your clients. It's a low-effort, high-reward service that's perfect for anyone looking to start a side hustle today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these ideas have sparked some inspiration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Looking for a side hustle you can start with almost zero investment? What if I told you that you could help local businesses and make a great income, all from the comfort of your home? Today, I'm breaking down how you can become a social media content creator for local businesses, even if you have no prior experience. And the secret weapon? It's AI. Think about your favorite local coffee shop, the salon you go to, or that new gym that just opened up. These business owners are experts at what they do, whether it's brewing the perfect latte or giving a great haircut. But what they often don't have is time. They're busy running their business, and managing social media accounts like Instagram or TikTok can feel like a full-time job. That's where you come in. You can be the solution to their biggest marketing headache. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a writer or a graphic designer. Don't worry, you don't need to be. We have amazing AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you. Let's start with content ideas and captions. Use a tool like ChatGPT. You can literally ask it to generate 30 Instagram post ideas for a local bakery, and it will give you a full month's worth of inspiration. It can even write the captions for you, complete with relevant hashtags and calls to action. Next up, visuals. Great content needs eye-catching graphics and videos. For images, tools like Canva or Adobe Firefly are game changers. You can describe the image you want, and the AI will generate it for you in seconds. Need a picture of a steaming cup of coffee on a rustic wooden table? Just type it in. It's that simple. For video, short-form content is king. With an app like CapCut, you can use its AI features to auto-edit clips, add trending audio, and generate subtitles automatically. You can create professional-looking videos without any complex editing skills. So how do you put this all together into a service? You can offer a package deal, like a full month of social media content. Using these AI tools, you can realistically create 30 posts, a mix of graphics, videos, and carousels, in just a few hours. Once you have the content, you can use a scheduling tool like Metricool or Later to plan everything out. This means the business owner doesn't have to worry about posting daily. It's all automated. Now, for the most important part, how do you get your first client? Start local. Walk into businesses you already love and support. Introduce yourself and explain how you can help them grow their online presence. The best way to prove your value is to offer a free sample. Create a small pack of, say, 3 to 5 posts specifically for their business. This shows them what you can do without any risk on their part. Once they see the quality of your work and the engagement it brings, they'll be much more likely to sign up for a monthly service. This side hustle is all about creativity, consistency, and leveraging the power of AI. You're not just making posts, you're helping small businesses connect with their community and thrive. It's rewarding, flexible, and has huge potential for growth. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools, build a small portfolio, and begin reaching out. You could have your first paying client sooner than you think. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more side hustle ideas. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and creative side hustles I've come across recently: AI music generation. If you've ever dreamed of making money from music but didn't have the time, equipment, or formal training, this is for you. The game has completely changed, and AI is opening up a whole new world for creators. Imagine being able to produce studio-quality tracks with just a few clicks. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. The tool that I've been using and personally recommend is called Music GPT. I've dropped a link down in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. It's incredibly powerful yet surprisingly easy to use. So how does it work? It's as simple as talking to a friend. You just type in a description of the music you want to create. For example, you could type something like, "Create a chill lo-fi beat perfect for a late-night study playlist." Within moments, the AI gets to work, composing a full track based on your prompt. You can even take it a step further and ask it to write lyrics for you. Add AI-generated vocals, or just stick to an instrumental-only version. It's all up to you. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a library of every song you've ever generated. From there, you can easily preview each one, make edits to fine-tune the sound, or publish it directly. Honestly, the quality is mind-blowing. Many of these tracks sound like they were produced in a professional recording studio with rich textures and complex arrangements. But it's not just about making full songs. You can also use it to generate custom sound effects for your videos or podcasts, create unique background tracks for other content creators, or even whip up some cool remixes of existing music. The creative possibilities are virtually endless. Now, let's talk about the best part: how you can actually make money with this. There are several fantastic ways to monetize your AI-generated music. One popular method is to create themed playlists, like hours of ambient music for relaxation or lo-fi beats for studying, and upload them to YouTube. As your channel grows, you can start earning from ad revenue. Another great option is to sell your tracks directly on platforms like Gumroad or SoundCloud, where people can purchase them for their own projects. And if you want a more direct income stream, you can offer your services as a freelance music creator on sites like Fiverr. Think about it. So many YouTubers, podcasters, and small business owners need custom music for their content, but can't afford a professional composer. You could be their go-to solution, offering custom jingles, intro music, or background scores. It's a fantastic way to build a portfolio and a steady stream of income. This is genuinely one of the most rewarding and fun AI side hustles out there right now. You get to be creative, produce something amazing, and get paid for it. If you have any passion for music or sound design, I highly encourage you to give it a try. Don't forget to check out the link for Music GPT in the description to get started. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. Have you ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel but felt held back because you're shy on camera or don't like the sound of your own voice? Well, What if I told you that you could build a profitable channel without ever showing your face or speaking a single word? Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting side hustles out there: faceless YouTube channels powered by AI automation. This isn't just a futuristic idea. It's happening right now, and creators are earning real income from it. So how does it all work? It's simpler than you might think. Imagine having a team of AI assistants working for you 24/7. Your first step is to pick a niche. Think about topics that have a huge audience and are easy to create content for, like motivation, personal finance, fascinating history stories, or even tech explainers. These niches are perfect because they rely on strong storytelling and visuals, not on your personality. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to let the AI do the heavy lifting. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to generate endless video script ideas and write the full scripts for you. Just give it a topic, like 5 habits of successful people, and it will whip up a compelling script in seconds. But what about the voice? That's where AI voice generators come in. Tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht can turn your text into incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers. You can choose from dozens of voices to find the perfect one for your channel's vibe. Now for the visuals. You need engaging footage to keep your audience hooked. You can get stunning, free stock videos and images from websites like Pexels and Pixabay. If you want something truly unique, you can use AI image generators like Leonardo AI or Midjourney to create custom art that perfectly matches your script. Imagine creating a video about ancient myths, with AI-generated images of gods and monsters that no one has ever seen before. Putting it all together is the final piece of the puzzle. Video editing tools like Pictory or HeyGen are designed specifically for this. You just upload your script and voiceover, and the AI automatically finds relevant video clips and syncs them to the audio, creating a professional-looking video in minutes. It's like having a video editor on call without the high cost. But creating the video is only half the battle. You need people to find it. That's where tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy become your best friends. They help you research high-ranking keywords, optimize your titles and descriptions, and track your channel's performance so you know what's working and what's not. The real beauty of this model is its scalability. Once you've perfected your workflow, you can easily launch more channels in different niches. One channel could be about mystery stories, while another is about finance tips, all running on the same automated system. Creators are already making thousands of dollars a month through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships with this exact method. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a digital asset that works for you around the clock. If you're excited and want a complete, step-by-step tutorial on how to build your very first automated faceless channel from scratch, let me know in the comments below. Drop a "Show me how," and if I see enough interest, I'll make that my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your digital empire. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try.